Let's create a gear in Blender. So all you gotta do, delete those 3 items and now just go up here to preferences and type in extra mesh objects, and now tick it if you don't have them ticked already. And now go to mesh, and down here you have gears. Simple as that. And here on the menu you can change the number of teeth, radius, how big it is, the base, and all the other parameters which can make your gear look better. So that's pretty much it. We're just gonna add a material, that's for sure. So this one, let's make it a bit metallic and rough maybe. And now let's just rotate it on. Hold on. We need to rotate it on the x-axis, and that's basically it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!